A23 drone operation tutorial. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect power supply. The red light stays on during charging. Automatically turn off when fully charged. Preparation before flight. Expand the drone arm. Installing drone batteries. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Long press to turn on the drone power. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically adjust the frequency of the drone. Calibrate the gyroscope with an external 8-drag rod. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone. Push up again to take off. One-click takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Forward. Back off. Fly on the left side. Fly on the right side. Speed switch beeps to low gear. The beeping sound is in medium gear. Beep, beep, beep 3 times for high-speed gear. Electric camera adjustment. Press the roll button and toggle the right joystick. Unmanned aerial vehicle capable of 360-degree rolling. Short press the obstacle avoidance button. Drone activates obstacle avoidance mode. Enable headless mode. The drone will reverse in the direction of the remote control. One-click landing. Replace the fan blades. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the fan blade screws and remove the fan blade. Pay attention to distinguishing app identification. Install the corresponding fan blades onto it. Connect app. Scan the instruction manual QR code to download the app. After downloading, connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Simply click on your phone and start flying.